There were days before this program, I would get up and say, oh no, I did nothing with him today.
Since this program started, she's taking interest and she started learning also.
So for working parents especially, I feel it's a very easy program and not taxing to the parents.
They are giving books also, they are giving toys also, they are telling me which rhymes, which activities, they will give me one-to-one sessions also.
The Practivity Kit in fact is beautiful because it's made of wood, and the things you can actually keep in for a long years of life.
The most invaluable thing that you guys are providing is the mentorship.
They call us and they ask us what the update is and they try to motivate us. So mentoring sessions really help.
I really love the app. You can assess the progress of your child. You can record the observations regarding your child for each and every task, and all the instructions are also provided in the app.
Amaya is sitting through her workshops and I'm like, I also want to do it with you.
Definitely, I think the program has been value for money if you compare it to a lot of other digital education programs, and also compared to regular schooling.
He's learning, I'm happy, and it's all sorted.